You know the drill.
Had a package arrive today. This is internal pipe wrench set. Basically the same thing that you do when the top of a screw breaks off or a bolt breaks off and you need to get it extracted, kind of like a spiral fluid extractor for a bolt, but this is for a pipe. So this is what it looks like. They're about like $15 or $16 online, and they got a little camshaft in them. So that what you do is you put it in the pipe that you want out, and then you tap it with a hammer, and then you twist it supposedly, and then this camshaft will sort of cause a jam and remove it. And I'm gonna try to extract the plastic from the PEX brass valve, and this broke off good. Let me show you. We got our PVC, this is the PVC, sorry, PEX, and we got a brass end on it, and this is what broke off of it. The plastic piece did, and I tried fixing it myself, and of course that didn't work. I tried filing it down, I tried jamming it out with this, but supposedly this is a better way to do it. And let's try this. So I'm supposed to hit this with a hammer. I can drop the two that are the wrong size and then jam it in there. I don't like this cam thing. I wish it.
Alright, pull it up.
This works. Okay. So, are you kidding me?
Well, most of your how-to videos have a how not to section first, so we'll start right in.
Well, as you can see, I'm finally starting to make some progress. I've been using my knife and just cutting around this edge. And it's starting to come right on out. So that's perfect. It took just a lot of patience. There we go. Look at that. Boom. Perfect. The culprit has been removed. Who would make this out of plastic? Why would this be made out of plastic? This is definitely a job for metal. So that's taken care of. There was a fight, but we are emerging victorious. Look at that, all shiny and spiffed up and cleaned and ready to rock. Threads largely intact. So here's the old one. As you can see, that's just plastic right there. Chrome plated plastic or something, I think. But that's why that broke off. Got my new one right here. And plumber's tape. $13.99. Should actually be metal this time. Well, chrome plated. I wonder if it's plastic again, but maybe it is, maybe it's not. So I got that on there. Got my plumber's tape at the end. Time to install. Just gotta clean it up a little bit. Well, not perfect, good enough. It would appear that the secret to the plumbing tape is to pack it tighter and straighter in there. So that works. Now that I'm done with the plumber's tape and I cut it with a scissors and made it look a little cleaner, there I did a better job. This I didn't do as good of a job, but it's working, and let me show you the results. No leaks.